Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool, amazing product right here, and basically what this is a shredder, and this is the 18 sheet cross-cut paper, CD, and credit card shredder. So you guys are not limited to just shredding paper, but you can also shred like credit cards and CD in here. And what's even more awesome is the fact that you guys can actually shred 18 paper or 18 sheets at the same time. And this is from the Amazon Basic brand, you can see right here. So first thing first, we're going to open a product to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll show you guys how to use it as well. Alright, so when we open up the package and see that this is basically what it looks like. So they do have a little instruction manual right here, but the overall product is well protected. And they do have the little wheels right here that's been put on the bottom of the shredder. So let me just take out all of these and then show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here's the instruction manual, and then right here is the shredder, so let's take it out. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So you see the shredder right here is all nicely wrapped. Let me take out the wrapper. Alright, so when we take out the wrapper, there's another wrapper right here. So I really like that a lot because they really care about the product and they want to protect the product at all costs. So I'm actually take out this wrapper as well. And then the back right here, they do have the cable that's going to plug into your wall outlet in order for you to use it. Let me actually bring the camera over so you can see a better view of the product. Alright, so here is another view of the product. If you can see, they have the logo right here, Amazon Basics. And then here's the power button to activate it. Here's the reverse button, and here's the forward button. Here are some indicator lights. So the door open option is when this door is open, if you guys didn't fully seal it. If you didn't see, so that's what it looks like right there. So for the door, you probably want to use a little bit more force to kind of close it. Just like that, and then you guys all set. And then you can see right here, we have two different compartments. So one of them right here is for CDs and credit card, and this one for paper. So for the paper option, you guys can actually use up to 18 sheets like I mentioned. And also mention right here how you guys can use the shredder oil option if you guys want to. So that way you can actually make it a lot easier and go smoother. If the product over time starts getting stuck really easily, you do want to add some oil inside right here. But this is basically what the overall product looks like when you guys fully set it up. And then the bottom, if you guys want to, you guys can put the wheels that they provide for you guys as well, which is what we're going to do. So we turn on the side right here, you can see that they do have the handlebar option right here. And same thing for other side as well. If you can see, so they do have the handlebar here as well. So both sides has the handlebars, so that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to lift it and carry around if you guys need to. And then this is basically what it looks like in the back. So they do have like the ventilation and everything to prevent it from overheating. And right here we do have the switch to activate or close the product right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me actually install the wheels to show you guys how to install it first, and then we're gonna plug in the cable and test it out. So first thing I want to do right now is to flip the shredder to the other side or tilt it sideways so I can actually insert the wheels in the bottom. First, you can see that this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you want to insert the wheels here, 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 and here. So let's do that first. Alright, so right here with the wheels, let's take it out. So you just want to insert it right here, push it in. So you're done with this part. You want to do the same thing for other three as well. Also, another thing to remember is that when you guys insert the wheels, if you guys get two of these, you guys want to put it in the front right here. Because if you guys put these in the back, that's incorrect. Alright, so once you guys got all four of them set up, you guys can flip it back to the other side and you can start using the product with the wheels. Alright, so basically once you guys finish setting the product with the wheels on the bottom, now you can use the shredder with the wheels if you guys can see how easy it is to move it around. So that way if you guys ever need to move it from one room to another, you definitely can. But let's plug in the cable now to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so once we plug in the cable, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So this is the power light and this is the auto mode light. So basically the auto mode means that it just stays on. So once you guys slide it in, then actually it will start working. But if you guys turn that off, then you guys have to press one of these buttons to activate it. Alright, so before I start shredding it, I do want to put it back inside right here. So you guys don't really need to put it back, but if you guys want to be organized, then it's highly suggested for you guys to put it back here. Alright, let's slide it back in. Alright. So once you got it in now, you can start shredding it. So I just want to slide it in right here. Alright, so you see that actually does work. Let's open up the inside and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see that after you shred it, this is basically what it looks like. So if you guys want to put a little bit more, you definitely can. If you guys can see how powerful it is. So the product, it definitely does work if you guys can see. If you guys want to put CDs or credit cards on top, you definitely can. And the bottom part, obviously, you guys want to put paper like I mentioned, but you guys can see that actually works really, really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it now. So for this shredder in particular, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more than lead warranties, especially if you guys are trying to look for a powerful shredder that can do cross-cutting shredding, also can shred CDs, and also can shred credit cards, and also can do like multiple sheets at the same time. Like I mentioned, for this one, it can go up to 18 sheets if you guys want to, which is really powerful. And you also have the option to turn on or off the auto mode, and you guys have the option to do forward and reverse if it ever gets stuck. You can definitely press one of those buttons to fix it. And I really like these options right here, how I show you guys the power mode, the overheating, overload, and when the door is open. So that way you guys know when to stop and if there's any issue with the product, which is super awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.